Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is Hobby Beauty. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite colors, that is pink. And we're going to be going through all of my favorite pink liquid lipsticks. So we have 10 liquid lipsticks here. I did a little shopping on Kylie Cosmetics website and picked up a few new colors. So we are going to randomly try these on my lips. First up we have Snow Bay. This was one of my favorites in June. This is Snow Bay. Next up we have KOKO. This is one of her original shades from Kylie Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite go-to nude pinks. This is KOKO. Alyssa, Colourpop Cosmetics. Next up we have High Maintenance, Kylie Cosmetics. Next up we have Angel, Kylie Cosmetics. This is Angel. Next up we have Kylie, one of my favorites. Ooh, this is on Wednesdays. It's Neon. It's on Wednesdays. Stained my lips a little bit. Next we have Crush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And these last two are the new colors that I just picked up. This one is the KOKO collaboration with Kylie, and it's in The Bigger the Hoops. Don't wear hoop earrings, but somehow I understand this. Finally, we have Wish You Were Here. Yep, Wish You Were Here. And those are my 10 favorite pink liquid lipsticks. Leave a comment down below, let me know your favorite pink liquid lipsticks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!